Morning. So I'm working on something over here with Blinds.com. We are going to be adding some shades to our front window. We're going to be adding some shades there and to my son's room, which you guys have seen before. And now I've got the whole thing where I've got to figure out which one I'm gonna go with. I definitely have narrowed it down to these because there is something about the way that they feel. Oh my gosh, the quality is so good. And I just like the simplicity of the weave. Probably right here. And I kind of want to make my decision because I've got the people coming to measure tomorrow. So which ones do you like here? I'm going to put a poll. So tell me what you think. Alrighty, we just had the windows measured for the blinds and I'm so excited. It was so great because we have this weird thing in the corner, not those brackets that need to come down. But if it would have been ordered the way I would have done it, it wouldn't have fit right because they would have butt up to each other. Anyway, that's why it's really cool to have somebody who comes out and knows what they're doing because I clearly don't know what I'm doing. All right, I just posted this space right here and I just want to show you guys these blinds again from Blinds.com. I love them so much more than I even thought I would. I chose no backing so it filters light so it's not pitch black, but which is perfect for the family room. It just really warmed up the space and made it feel complete. So this is the grass weave and I highly recommend this weave here. This fabric is amazing. And let me just show you the coolest thing about this. You literally, I got cordless. You just pull down like that and well, you push them to go back up. They're so easy and they're so pretty. The color is so good.